Hey everyone, Blue Collar Trader here. Just came to the charts and looking at what we were talking about in the last video. Um, the levels we were wanting to play, take a trade off of. Opened up, went right to the zone of the high volume node. Came out. Of course, you always look for the retest, right? Uh, see if we double bottom off of this. Take it to the bottom of that volume profile from last session. That pink right there is VWAP, and we are about 9.5 ATR, so nothing crazy. $30-minute. Holding right at VWAP in the zone. Price hasn't made a determination where it wants to go yet. We are looking at a little support area here. So zone right here. A little volume shelf right here. A little bit of buyers are coming in. You can see how I use the volume profile. We're on a 5-minute chart right here, 5-minute, and you can see how we are below the POC, but so there's buying coming in, causing right here these wicks. So price drops below 92. 92. What I look for is floors. Where are the floors at? Well, we have a pretty good distribution model here. Tapered on the edges. Edges are somewhat tapered. At 68.7% is 207 to 226. That's 20 points. 88 down to. I mean, it's somewhat balanced. The value area somewhat balanced inside of this the distribution for the night. So all in all, the distribution model is really good. Right now, we're just seeing what working off these little peaks, getting this volume filled in here. See how it tapers down. So no super commitment yet. It looks like it might be something happening right now. Really no dedication just yet. I do trade with 5 MNQ. $10 a point, shooting for $80, $80 to $100 a session, and definitely just being consistent in that regard. I'm not trying to get rich quickly, trying to get rich slowly. So Right now, sellers, for the last little bit, sellers are in control. But I'm definitely not going short into this node here, or it's not a node, into this, because the whole area down to 185 is important. So yeah, there's a lot of volume there. So it's gonna have to drop out of that or bounce, one or the other. I'm definitely not doing anything inside of it, that's for sure. So from 186 to 200 is a no trade zone for me. 186, 200, definitely a no trade zone. Go see, we have, what's the numbers? 298. Almost feels like they're, baiting people in to go short here, so they can, get that double bottom, take it back, at least to the bottom of the profile area, at least to the the volume profile area from last session. Still feel like we're going to hit that. Right now, we're at the bottom of the. Yeah, I use TOS charts to make trading decisions off of. Ninja wants an arm and a leg for any little bit of information they're willing to give you. So see that blue, that value area, right? The value area here, 211, and here 187. That's the um, value area high, value area low. So the value area low is lining up with that monthly, the bottom of that monthly high volume node. So see, it feels like they're trying to just get those momentum traders in there to go short. If this does break, oh, if it breaks, do look for the retest. Then, that's how price moves, right? So definitely looking for going short. I'm not going short on the breakout. Go short here. Go short here. Going short on that retest. Because right now we could just be gathering that liquidation. Ready for the next, ready to take it back the other way. So definitely not trying to go short right now until the breakout area has been confirmed by a retest. This is the 21 EMA here. Keep it just for general reference, because traders use a 21 EMA. See if we're getting that double bottom formation. ATR still holding at 9.7. So point of controls at 201. Point of controls right here. We're below the point of control. VWAP's at 195, so just waiting. This does break. Waiting for the retest and then come back. We're waiting for that fair value gap form. Definitely waiting for. Now the cumulative delta here by tradingrevealed.com. That's a free indicator. Again, because the trader wants to charge you arm and leg for everything. So tradingrevealed.com. So on this area, we do have confirmation of volume, right? See how the selling volume is picking up as we're breaking out. 256. Checking the volume here, 275, 291, 292. See how buyers are coming in. Feels like, look at that, right to the tick. 177.25, look at that. Right to the tick. So all right, let's wait. Yeah, I normally don't come to the charts until about 7 p.m. Central Time anyway. Gotta see what's going on. Get caught up in the mess. Gotta let the chart start to form, get direction, have an idea what's going on. So otherwise, you get caught up in your own bias sometimes. Yeah, if I do get on early, I try to be off by 7. I do have a life, a happy wife, happy life, right? So as soon as I can make 88 points, 10 points is my ultimate goal. I really don't factor in commissions as far as my goal. If I'm able to make 10 points, at least, then I count it as a win. It doesn't have to be $100 even. 10 points minus commissions, or if it's running, I'll let it run. Obviously, I'll let it run past 10 points, but that's the general in that area. I like to have 10 points. If you want to buy from the low of a range, you want to buy from the low. Um, so the next 30 seconds, probably contemplating putting a long here at 188.50. Stop at 183. Just to test the waters and see. It all depends on how. Uh, this is gonna be my signal bar. It looks like this is right to the tick, so it looks like the stops were ran. And
order filled.
I'm gonna go with this. And I just traded NQ. Holy cow! I just traded NQ. So let me stop. Get out this right here.
Stop filled.
Excellent. All right. $25 mistake. Yeah, that's okay. I'll take it. I will take it. Why in the world? Oh, I know why. Because my other charts, TOS is NQ. So, yeah. For some reason, I put NQ on the charts. And it'd been nice if it would have ran. I would definitely would have took it. I would have taken it. Sure. Break. Let's see. 177. All right. So, two. Let's see. Two. Two. That's the top volume down to. Oh, Ninja shows NQ lower here. It's MQ. 5 MNQ, not 5 NQ. Yeah, so we're starting to get some solid support right here. This area. now. They just don't know what they want to do, really. I mean, sellers are in control, that's for sure. I mean, they're in seller for the night, speaking for the night. But right now, sellers came in, sold it off. The bulls came back, forming that double bottom. And again, if you're going to go long, or if I am going to go long, I'm going to go long off something like this. Something where I can have a short distance to my stop. I'm definitely not trying to guess the top or bottom. But on the 30-minute, see here. If you look up here, right here, low 177, 177, 177.50. So this last candle was with this 2 ticks away from the exact low. 30 minutes. So yeah, right here was the spot. But that's $100 right there. That's $100 going long off this bottom of this wick, taking it to the top of the, shooting for this top. Be a nice move. Can even. Just drew a channel out. Time. It. Just using that mother bar as a reference. Yeah, right there at the bottom. That was the place to buy right here. So missed my long. I was looking at the chart. Missed my long. So see what Buddy Raj saying. Yeah, one of the biggest things I had to learn, and Pat's really taught me this. Uh, and Signet from Bullish Bears. Buy at the bottom of these ranges, sell at the top of these. Don't chase that breakout. You'll get more often than not, you'll get hurt. So I was moving that 30-minute chart over and missed my entry here, but this was an entry. This was the entry for the night so far. If you guys are familiar with B. Wilson, he teaches the Pats using the chart notation off of the way he does it. It's a real neat and clean way to indicate your thought process. And what happened, right? So why was this a good entry? So this was a good entry because one, it was bottom of range. Let's see here. Plenty of room to top of range. Well, saying the same thing, isn't it? So previous rejection of lower prices, right? Negatives. One wasn't paying attention to the chart. So winning trades are green. My thought blocks are thanks a lot. Yeah, I need to do the left justification on that. Yeah, but that was entry number one. Targeting the 21 EMA or targeting, which is real close to the halfway point of that range. Or to the top of the yellow region highlight there. Would have been safe. But honestly, if I see 80 bucks, 80 to $100, I'm actually going to take it. I'm not trying to prove that my forecasting skills were all right. I'm just trying to make money. Trying to, $50. If you think about this, guys, so you make $50. Let's pull up the calculator here, okay? Calculator. Open calculator. Let's bring this thing over. Check it out. If you make $50 and there's 22 trading days in the month, that's $1,100 right there. $1,100 a month. That's $50. Okay, that's 5 points a session. Make 5 points a session. If I can make $50, you know what? I'm good. I'm going to probably I'm going to quit for the night. Uh, yeah, that's my thought process. Yeah, definitely shout out to V Wilson for his the way he annotates his charts. This is again I'm copying straight off of what he does. V Wilson. If you're interested in learning Pat's trading system, he can teach you the way to do it. Yeah, 78. And people use a signal bar, so consider, well, hey, that was my signal bar, and I'll take the long or short off of whatever signal bar it is. Signal bar's all I would have needed though. See here, we're consolidating, flagging out a little bit. 187, hold 187. Might take another 13 points. Probably going to try for that 21 EMA though, for sure. But yeah, I won't be on here too much longer. Only looking, to trade about an hour a night if I'm not really getting in anything or it's not moving. We're ranging. We double bottomed and kind of see what's going to make a play off of that, and totally kind of in my head about that right now myself. So cumulative delta is really getting positive. People very little selling on this candle here. There's interest and buyers are coming in. Good volume too, 722. 1,201 right here on this candle, on this 5 minute candle. Yeah, that's a buy all day long. I didn't get it here. I could have got in here. I already felt though I kind of was too far away from the bottom of that range to take it. Thinkorswim charts. So we have the POC at 188 now. Here's what I'm looking at. The 5-minute POC at 188. The 30-minute one, which really counts the most, 197. Yep, held good here. Yeah, so oh, that's my trading day. That's my trading right now. Nothing. I'm doing this video series as a really a video proof, video evidence of, for one, my trading plan. It's going to hold me accountable, um, and the trading uh, looking over the executions and the thought process during this session. So normally don't like to stay on too long anyway. I'm already at 40 minutes. I do like to stay about 2 hours if I can, but not feeling it after I missed this trade here. I'm kind of in my head right now, uh, especially when all I need to look for is 5 to 7 to 10 points is what I'm really hoping to get. And right now, anything else I feel I'm going to be chasing. So, all right, I'll catch you on the next video. Peace out.